Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your Teufel Real headphones. So, at first we have the music controls. You have to find this button over here, and now if you move the button to the right, we can skip the songs. We can actually move our songs to the backwards. If you go to the left, to the forward. We can skip songs or go backward. If you move it to the up, we can increase the volume level as you can see, and to the down, decrease. If we click this button, we can pause and play our music. And that's it for the music controls. And the last one is the Siri, or just voice assistant. You just have to hold this button, click it for 2 seconds. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.